Hi, I'm Tara Becker from Just Call Me Homegirl, and for 8 years I've been looking for a piece of furniture for my dining room table that was narrow enough to sit in this spot, but I couldn't find anything, so I took it upon myself to build this beautiful custom buffet using 12-inch deep stock upper kitchen cabinets, and I'm going to show you how.
First, I used 2x4s to build a base to set my cabinets on. I did this because I wanted a little bit more height, so it's a little bit taller than our dining room table. Once I found that everything was level, I secured the base to the studs in the wall. Making sure everything was level again, I did add a couple shims. And then I brought the cabinets out, made sure that they were on each of the crossboards. I took the doors off so it was easier to paint and to secure the cabinets together. I then clamped the cabinets flush and used cabinet screws to secure them together, pre-drilling the holes first. Then I secured the cabinets to the studs in the wall. I then used 1x4s and use them as trim to cover up the 2x4 base, and use my nail gun to put that in place. And because there is a lip on the cabinet face frame, I used flat lattice trim to trim out the sides using my nail gun. I then reattached the cabinet doors. And for the top, I just used a spruce pine edge glued panel. It was a 1x16 because the 1x12 wouldn't give me the little hangover. And I did rip it down to about 12.5 to 13 inches deep. Like my video, please subscribe for more easy DIYs, and I invite you to visit my Patreon page as well, and my blog post with all the specific details is linked in the description.